It was a dark and stormy night. I was alone at home and about to go to bed, when I saw a scary shadow figure at my window. "Who's there?" I shouted. Suddenly there was a flash of lightning followed by thunder shower. I saw a lion's face followed by a scary thunderous roar at the window. It looked like the lion from the local circus that had been announced missing on the television news channel. I felt very scared. I ran to my bed and pulled my blanket over my head. I started to shout for my parents, but there was no reply. Then I remembered they were at a late-night party. I peeped out of my blanket, but it was too dark to see anything. Then I heard footsteps. They were getting louder and louder. Soon the footsteps died off. The grandfather clock struck 12. I went back to bed and tried to sleep, but couldn't. I felt too frightened. I sat up, my mind full of scary thoughts. After some time passed, finally I fell asleep. I woke up only after 8 in the morning and switched on the TV news. I was excited to see the lion was already trapped in the wee hours of the morning by the ringmaster of the circus. I felt very much relieved after the news. Later I narrated the whole incident to my parents. They were dumbstruck and decided in future not to leave me alone at home during night.